Ikaw ba ay naghahanap ng trabaho at gusto mong mag-work from home? Tamang-tama ito sa iyo dahil naghahanap sila ng mga Filipino talent. Pero bago ang lahat, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe and like or share sa ating channel para sa marami pang work from home opportunity ang aking masishare sa inyo. Tara, simulan na natin.
So this job is uh, Hire Talent Philippines. And so let's click the pictures. So the essential features of remote hiring in the Philippines. Let's read. So for premium talent, for people who wants to see as many qualified candidates as possible, access a curated selection of verified Filipino professionals, eliminating the uncertainty of hiring unknowns. All talent go through verification before being accepted, reducing your risk and increasing likelihood of finding the perfect match. So lahat po talaga ng nag-hire is they want ID verification, kung totoong tao ka pa talaga, if you are a real woman. So verified skills, every talent undergoes skill assessment and verification. Identify, confirm, multiple identify verification steps ensure authenticity, professional screening. Each profile is reviewed by our team, active talent, verified availability, status of candidates. So this is the example. You can search here, social media manager or kung ano yung skills na meron ka. So, this is the example. So, Maria D is hiring for as no hiring social media manager, Anna L content creator yung hinahanap nila and follow or so malaki yung per hour nila, $10 per hour, $8 per hour and $12 per hour, so malaki na rin. 'Di ba dito sa Pilipinas napakalaki na ng, amount na iyan, per hour siya. So, uh, you can click, how it works. Then you can read this, how it works, looking for hire, looking to work. So let's click that. Want to be a Filipino virtual employee? Here are my personal hiring tips for Filipinos who wants to work remote job and build successful online careers. So I've hired hundreds of Filipino remote workers across various industries. This isn't some fluffy guide. These are real tips that work. So start remote career. So you can click start remote career. So this is what doesn't work anymore. I can do anything mentality. Copy paste job application, no portfolio or work samples, competing purely on price, poor English communication. So, what works in 2025? Deep specialization in 1 to 2 areas, AI enhance skills, sets strong portfolio, case studies, proactive communication, understanding client business. So the secret, don't try to compete with everyone. Pick one path from the eight below. Spend 12 months mastering it and you'll be the top 10% applicants. Most people quit after 2 weeks. Be most don't be most people. So most of the uh, employees here is a Filipino. So they choose Filipino. So talagang uh, magaling magtrabaho yung mga Pilipino. So, for Filipino talent, click. This is for the employers and this is for the talent. So, 100% to join you, access to high-paying remote, direct communication with employers, showcase your skills through. So, yan, create your account, full name, email address, password, confirm, and then click the I am a Filipino worker. I am registering as an individual, not an agency. I do not have an existing account. I agree the term and service policy. So yun lang and then click the register and yan, you are registered already. Then meron ka ng account, you can search job ASAP. So, yun lang. I hope na nagustuhan niyo ang, video ito. And then please, don't forget to like and subscribe na rin sa ating channel for more video. Tulungan niyo po ako mag-grow yung channel ko para mas marami pa ako may share na, opportunity. So, yun lang. Thank you and goodbye.